Yeah man, big up people, we're there upon the vlogging again today. You know, it's Christmas now. So I say big up to everyone who been a support Caribbean Vibes over these years. Welcome to our new subscriber them. So we're there on the river. You know, beautiful scene. Today we are going to cook some gungo peas rice, some curry octopus with conch mix. So this is how we are going to enjoy for Christmas on the river, you know, outdoor cooking to one of the finest. You know what I mean? So big up, happy new year again when it come guys to everybody. Whether you are from Jamaica all over who support the channel. Really appreciate your love. Yeah man, big up. Yes guys, so we are get the fire up and ready. Yeah, I'm going to put on the peas you know. Here they and go and cook. After I set all the peas, I will clean up the conch and the octopus. Scald it off. So basically I'm going to catch up another fire. Scald it off and then season up and make it go and marinate you know. So set off the fire and beautiful day today. Wash off the peas. Clean off, you know? Yes guys, I'm going to add some pimento seed. This is ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and the peas that I washed a while ago. I will add them in and then stay there and go and cook you know. And then I have to clean up the conch you know, and the octopus. So, clean up the conch now. And this is the way how me clean the conch. So just slit it. So an intestine. Go through and clean up all of them. Them people, so I wanna go on with for Christmas. Hopefully do some more collab in the coming year. God's willing. I'm gonna cook enough food because we have some visitor today. Pass through. We're just chilling. Finish cleaning them up now. I'm just gonna use some salt to wash them off. So the salt now are gonna help to break down the slime. You know? Yes. Salt is one of the fastest things to break down the slime. And I go through and clean up the octopus now. So basically I cut out the eye of the octopus. You know? Yeah. Yes. So we just turn it over the head of it. Kind of head in try in belly there. Then flip him over now. See him out there, eh? Cut out in mouth. So I'm just adding some salt. I'm just coat them in the salt. Wash them off now. The peas are boil up. So in order to keep the peas down at the bottom of the pot, add some cold water so the peas can cook. Yes, so more than say we have sink the peas, you know? Yeah. Then once I use some vinegar, you know, wash off the octopus and the conch. And once you see how the salt break down all of the slime. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So wash them off thoroughly. Just beat them, you know, get them really tender. Beat the tentacle of the octopus same speed. Yeah, man. So, because it's a young octopus, so we don't really want to apply too much pressure on the tentacles. Just a little bit of pressure just to soften it a little bit, you know. Already finished mash the conch already. Soften it a little bit. And go through the tentacle, just stretch them out. Yeah, so I'm done. Yes, sir. Yes, man, so the peas done cook. And I add some thyme in a hit. Use scallion, purple scallion. This a stick butter. 1 green pepper. Coconut milk powder. Add just a little bit of salt in it. So we're going to season for taste. We're going to make it boil up and make the coconut cook before add the rice in it. I'm going to water boil up, scald off the octopus. Add some garlic in there. Just crack the pepper here. And I will also add some lime juice in here. Also, I add the lime in here. And some salt. I want the lime juice. With the lime now, I will help to reduce the rawness. Wash off them and put in. Yes, so the octopus and the conch done scald. Taking them out. Then cool off in the meantime, so then can be able to cut up. I think I hit that. And so wash the rice 2 times. And just straining off the excess water. Oh, now we use nothing. So now dice up with octopus. I'm gonna go out. Yes, good. I'm done cook yet. Octopus all a drop already. Like you know want to cook. I'm going to use some ginger, onion, scallion, some pepper, garlic, all-purpose season, a little garlic salt, fish season, a little meat season, some pimento seed, some curry powder, rub it in. Also piece of green thyme. I'm gonna go in it same way to add flavor. Basically I'm gonna season up and leave it to marinate for 2 hours. And I taste it again. Tastes good. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just wrapping it, you know. Here they I'm going to steam a little bit. Yeah. So I'm going to add some cooking oil, you know. Yeah, so I'm adding some garlic. Love to use garlic burning at the oil. Along with the curry. Give it a nice flavor. Burn the curry for about 30 seconds. And then add in the meat, you know. Yeah. Add some water. Yeah. Octopus are run off already. I've got check SpongeBob. a bubble up. Good curry. And I add some milk in it, you know. You can't get no better than this to the star. I swear. Full of flavor already. And man, I got add few pieces of fermental leaf in the pot. And add a little more water and ice. Stay there and go and take in time and cook, you know. See where rice and peas are going with. Yeah, real shelly. So I hit that. Yeah, I'm gonna add a carrot. Yeah, I'm gonna add some dumpling. You see, spinach them, you know. So after adding the dumpling, 5 minutes after I'm gonna add the Irish potato. And then allow everything to cook. And then I'm gonna re-season. I'm gonna add a broad bean into the conch and octopus cook. Add a little piece of butter to help it enhance the flavor. And a piece of bell pepper. And this is my way, you know, cooking the conch with the octopus mix. So I'm adding in the Irish potato. Allow it to cook. I'm gonna add the bell pepper in the same time. I'm adding in the bell pepper. Just leaving it to cook down a little bit, then adding the broad bean. Guys, I add some stick butter. But the reason why I smile is because of how much o'clock in the evening now. It's about 5 o'clock now and the rain has come down. So my neighbor said we have to go run with the things them, so I tell them we can't run with the hot pot. So I don't know how it go work out because the rain a drop right now. You know, we up in the bush with it right now, so I don't know what going to happen to the pot right now, I swear. But we still are adding the ingredients them. The rain a drop. Hopefully the vlog can finish up. Yes man, so I'm adding some broad bean, you know. I want to allow it to cook a little bit and dry down. Yes sir. Yeah, now that I get all the flavor from the pimento leaf them can come off right in the heat. But the leaf was just to help enhance flavor, you know. Yes guys, got ready, you know. Good land. So this is my boss. Pepper, you know. One side. Plate, you know. We have chances spearfishing are come through today. And they're on the way and soon reach, so when we reach and we see him on the vlog, same speed. One grave upon the rice. Okay. So, Merry Christmas again, guys, and a Happy New Year. And man, that's how we are kick it, that's how we spend the Christmas on the river. And as usual, we now start doing a good content, you know. Content we're gonna live on and remember. And remember, guys, share a video them, man. Send them to your mother, your father, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, everybody. Just send them to everybody who you know, so your channel can grow, man. Focus on tomato on the plate then. Not complete without vegetable. Yeah, man. So time to sit down and have a wonderful time. Yes, guys. Cello. Something to talk about, you know. Come on, look for a film plate. Just reach, you know. Man, play with food, you know. I like a mountain. So I go to work. Merry Christmas, my brother. Yeah, of course, no. One more year upon them, bro. Yeah, man, so it was a good day, guys. Actually I pack up to go back home now. Yeah, man, so you know, so I reach the end of the video though. Yeah, man, so put in the farm and thing. So I reach the end of the video though. So please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. We're out.